So what are the best crypto Instagram accounts that you can follow for wealth building? So this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes. Now, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, how to make sure that you make smart decisions, Instagram is a great place to find useful tips. There's some amazing accounts that share helpful information. I'm going to tell you what they are. I know what they are. All right? Following them can really help you get ahead. All right? Now listen, one great account is called, you go to @cryptosrus. Okay? I'll put it in the description. This account shares the latest news about Bitcoin, other coins. It's perfect for staying updated with the crypto world, and they make everything easy to understand. Another good account is called, it's at the Cryptomist. Okay, I'll put it in the description. She shares tips on how to grow your investments and teaches you, how to spot good opportunities. These are really good channels. I just can't say them right, but they're the best. You should also check out at altcoin Buzzio. Okay, this account focuses on altcoins, which are other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin. They help you learn about the new coins that could really grow in the future so that you're always ahead of the game. Another account is called Crypto Daily, at Crypto Daily. This one actively posts regularly. Helps you make informed decisions. Okay, so by following these accounts, you're going to get tons of useful information that can help you grow your wealth and make better choices in the future. I'll put the names in the description. Just check out those 4. Pretty good. That's my recommendations. I don't know them personally. That's it. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, because as you know, we get what we give.